Film the other one. Okay, this is the second part to Who Could Spin the Fidget Spinner the longest. Please like and subscribe. Starting 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was a bad spin. I'll deal with it though. This is gonna be 2 parts. We already did his. For some reason, the video cut off.
Ten out of 10 recording skills.
5-star photographer. Oh, it's slowing down.
I just drop your phone.
I did such a bad spin.
I see it warping on the camera.
Wait, how much did you get?
1 minute and 23. Look at it warp.
Yeah, I did a bad spin.
Yeah, you did. It's already dying. This is able to spin 2 minutes.
Guys, watch out.
We're so on this.
God, I'm gonna kill my brother if he doesn't stop.
Last another 30 seconds, come on. Oh.
Why am I seeing this exact same image I saw in my dream? Nick, cut it out.
Still going. Come
Sorry.
on, just beat a minute 23. Beat a minute
Yeah, it
23.
is. It is.
Oh,
More
come
funny.
on.
More
All you have to do is beat a minute and 23 seconds. Come on.
And more funny, the recording is like ahead.
Oh, come on.
I am.
Yes! I beat a minute and 23. Wait, we're done. A minute and stop.
Hey, that's a minute and 34.
Yeah, a minute 34. Okay.
Let's see how fast. Wait,
We're
can you
gonna.
do it?
Yeah. Oh, my sister's gonna do it. We'll see who can swim the longest. But Chris, you already went.
Okay.
It's Emma's turn.
Okay, I'm really bad at this. So 1, 2,
You one
3.
shot.
I'm not good at this.
She didn't spin it good.
Oh well.
Stop running. Please.
It's gonna go for like I bet like 30 seconds and that's it.
It slows down, but it holds in place when it slows down.
Today is also our grandma's birthday, so that's why there's a lot of this. Guard my iPad.
Guard the pad. Yeah, Emma's is already slowing down. Mine started slowing down at 40. But if it holds place while it's you slow down, so you could still win.
This is why you guys should stop running.
So this is Steve Tulotta. I already said it in the video. Subscribe to his videos. I'll get ready to stop it slowing down.
Hey, Emma, you're...
And so
Emma.
please like and subscribe
Emma.
to him and like his videos. And please like and
Guys,
subscribe. It's
how about you
stopping.
guys stop
It's
running?
stopping. Get ready.
How about you guys stop running?
Now.
Emma, you're
A
saying...
minute 16. Okay, we're gonna end this video. I won on the other video.
One more for fun?
You'll do one more for fun. Do it powerful.
Alright,
So
Emma, start the timer.
I won this by a minute and
3.
So Emma got a minute and 16 seconds. Chris got a minute and 23.
Steve.
Steve's got a minute and 23. I got a minute and 34. So I won this, and this is just a for fun. If it could go forever. Then.
See, this is why I don't want that.
I've accidentally called my teacher's mom.
It happened to me, and I hit my ball.
What? Your balls out.
When I spun it, it hurts. Ow.
Just that one that makes your stomach hurt, right? It makes your stomach hurt, that one hit. Yeah, so like his videos and subscribe to them. Oh no, really, dude. Alright, we're gonna end this video right here. Please like and subscribe to me and subscribe to him. I'll mention him in the description. Bye. Have a nice day. Oh.
And my fidget spinner video has almost 300 views.
Yeah, good job. Do it.